the second part of how to get you ready for your work and holiday adventure. Last week we were talking about whether you're eligible or not eligible to get the work and holiday visa in Japan. But yeah, as I may figured out when you're here right now, that means you are eligible to get your work and holiday visa Japan application ready, right? But let's get started. The topic for today is travel. There's a so-called travel list, which means that you have to write down everything in detail of where you would like to go and when. I will go over to my laptop, which is right behind the camera, and then I will set up everything for you so that you know exactly what to do, what to write, where you can go with the travel list that I prepared 2 years ago. Easy, let's get started with how to write the travel list.
First of all, every single document you need can be downloaded on the page of the specific embassy. The file is called Outline of Intended Activities, or I call it short. Travel. You'll have to add the date, name, gender and age right on top. After that, you follow the given details of period, so the time from until when you want to stay on the left side, in which prefecture and city you stay, and of course on the right details of the things, activities you'd like to do. I wanted to travel to Fukuoka, Nagasaki, Miyazaki, Okinawa, smaller islands near Okinawa, Isle of Cats, one of the many, Ehime, Hiroshima, Kyoto, Osaka, Nara, Uji, Kobe, Shimoda Prefecture, Tokyo and all the way up to Sendai, Miyagi Prefecture in general, Aomori, and further north to Hokkaido. So that nothing really of that worked out was a bit of a drama, to be honest, but I'm still here, so whatever. Life just works in unexpected ways, and we have to accept that.
Alright, now that we are back, the travel list is prepared, everything is nice, clean and ready to take off. Well, to take off for the next episode of 5 Minutes Fridays on, next Friday. Let me know in the comment section down below whether it was helpful or not, how can I get better, what kind of extra details you would like to have, because next weekend's topic is how to write your letter of motivation, because that's something you also have to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, hit the notification bell if you didn't do it already, because it really makes a difference, and talk to you next week with another episode of 5 Minutes Fridays, how to write a letter of motivation, and I'm out of here. Matane, love you, and bye.